pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hello everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. Okay guys, so we're unboxing Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for September 2021. That is the $25 a month box, and I believe the prices are going up starting October to 28. They sent me a card with some information about products on it, and the first product is the Real Her powder brush for $23. I really like this. This is the type of brush that you want to dip into your powders because it picks up a lot at once. So I use it. The second part of this video is going to be the try-on portion. Here is the Nabla. It is a lip gloss, and I'm going to show you what the color looks like. I actually have this lip gloss on already. It's not too sticky or anything. It's pretty neat. The next product is a little bit different from what I was expecting. It's the Murad Acne Gel. It really is a gel. I was thinking it was going to be more of like a white cream, like a benzoyl peroxide, but it's not. It actually hydrates the skin, which I think is pretty neat for an acne treatment. I'm like, so this is something you might want to put and treat your skin before you do your primer and your foundation. I really like the fact that this does not dry out your skin. I actually tried it and it's nice and moisturizing. So for an acne treatment, you want that because you don't want texture on your skin. Okay, so the next product is a facial oil by Cannabis, or I don't know, it's got cannabis in it, or hemp oil in it, but it smells like lemons, so it's not a bad scent, and it's definitely a good product to use to hydrate your skin, especially if you do any type of glycolic acid treatments. I've been doing those a lot lately because it helps with texture. So that's what I would use this facial oil for. I don't necessarily need that much of hydration on a daily basis, but after glycolic treatments, absolutely. Okay, so let's recap. So I got the, oh wait a minute, let's not recap. I didn't show you this yet. Oops. The Il Makiage, a $36 quad eyeshadow palette. I'm excited about this. It feels like good quality. Of course, I have my fingerprints all over it. But I'm going to do some swatches for you. It's got a nice mirror. It feels nice and heavy. I'm beginning to really like this brand, and I'm thinking about trying their foundation out. So yeah, as you can see, that's my satisfied face right there. As I'm swatching these, there are all the colors. I do an eye look with this palette at the end of the video. This is a really super pretty palette. I'm excited. Nice fall colors. So here is everything that I got in my bag, and the total is $147 value. So we're recapping. I showed you the palette. Then there's the powder brush that you barely want to tip into your powders with because it does pull a lot of it. The lip gloss, the oil, and the Murad treatment. This was a really good bag. I'm super excited about this, and I like the drawstring bags. So let's get into doing the eye look with these colors. I will put the colors on the screen for you as I use them, but I am going to start off with that matte color. Let me throw that up on the screen. So we're going to take that color and put that in the crease and a little bit above the crease and over my lid. I've got a Urban Decay brush from one of their Naked palettes in my hand. That is what I am using. I'm using the blending side to lay down that color. It's pretty. It's light, and it definitely can be built though. And these colors do wind up blending pretty nicely. So you guys know me, I like to build up that first color. So I go over each eye a couple of times, and then we will go in with the darker colors and move on over to the inner part of my eye. This color is gorgeous. I'm just putting it in the crease in the outer part of my lid, and then I'm kind of bringing it in so we have that color flowing throughout my eye. I'm just really liking that. I'm loving the fact that these colors for me, I would wear definitely in the fall, for sure. And they're not warm colors, they're cool tone colors, which have a tendency to look better on me because I am a neutral skin tone. Too cool. I will definitely go in with another brush and blend this all out. As you can see, I like it. I'm not sure what kind of brush or what brand of brush that is, but it's a blending brush and it works okay. I'm actually gonna have to wash all my brushes again soon, so I'm basically just using what I have available. Okay, so using the lightest shimmer in the palette, I'm putting that in the inner corner and the inner part of my lid. And I'm going to build it up. I'm not using setting spray. I really just wanted to see what the quality of the shadows were going to be. I don't think I've ever used shadows from this brand before. Alright, so I'm taking that darker shimmer and I am just putting that on the outer part of my lid and in the middle and kind of just blending it all together so it looks like it belongs together. And then I add more of that matte, dark matte color. Okay, let's go in with the Nabla lip gloss and see how she wears on the lips. Now this here is pretty, it's a pretty sheer. It's very lightly tinted with color. And it's not like the best lip gloss ever, but it's definitely something usable and wearable. I mean, it had a value of $15, which I think is kind of high for a lip gloss, but again, it's also clean beauty. Nabla is a clean beauty brand. So, okay, so this is the Real Her powder brush, and it feels really good. It feels like a nice quality brush. The bristles are really soft, but it's one of those brushes that picks up a lot of product at once, so you just kind of want to dip down so this way you don't end up putting too much on. I'm using it with my Ofra blush and it's applying it really nicely. I'm definitely excited about this brush, as you can see on my face, another satisfied look. And don't apply too much at once. You can always go back and apply more, but I'm definitely liking the fact that it doesn't take me forever to build up a blush. I'm in it. That'll work. All right, my gems, so that is everything. I'm just putting everything back in the bag. I want to take the time to say thank you so much for being here for this video. If you have any comments, put them down below and I will do my very best to answer any questions you might have. And I will see you real soon in another video. Bye!